Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use the beauty filter on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So with the new Samsung S25 Ultra, you have a beauty filter which basically adjusts your jawline, your eyes, your lips, and many more. So let me show you how to do this. So first you need to go ahead and open up the camera app. Next, go ahead and tap on the 4 dots, then swipe all the way to the left until you see a smiley face. Tap on that. And here you'll be able to use that beauty filter. So you can basically adjust the smoothness on your face, you can adjust the tone, you can adjust the jawline, and you can adjust the eyes. So let's go ahead and test it with a face. So here we have a face of someone. We can go ahead and adjust the tone, we can go ahead and adjust the jawline, we can go ahead and adjust the eyes, and so on. And then once you're happy, tap shoot, and that will shoot the picture for you. So there you go guys, that is how to use the beauty filter on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.